young explorers, and welcome to our farm adventure. Today, we are going to meet some amazing farm animals, learn about the sounds they make, and discover fascinating facts about each one. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hello. Our farm adventure begins with the unmistakable crow of the rooster. Did you know that roosters crow to establish their territory and let other roosters know who's in charge? Can you imitate the rooster's crow? That's right. It's cock-a-doodle-doo. Great job! Roosters have a special ability to detect changes in light, which helps them know when it's time to crow. Roosters are like the farm's alarm clock. Here are our friendly cows. They might seem quiet, but they communicate with each other through their gentle moos. Can you mimic a cow's moo? Yes, you got it. It's moo. Fantastic. And here's a cool fact. Did you know that all cows are female? Males are called bulls or steer. Cows are the gentle giants of the farm. Over here, we've got the playful pigs. Listen to their joyful oinks. Now, can you make a piggy oink sound? That's right. It's oink, oink. Great job. Did you know that pigs are incredibly smart animals? They're even smarter than some dogs. You can teach a pig similar tricks to that which you can teach a dog. Here come the chatty chickens. They're clucking and scratching around. Try clucking like a chicken. Yes, exactly. It's cluck, cluck, cluck. Well done. Chickens are great at producing eggs, and they come in many different breeds and colors. They're also excellent at hunting for bugs in the farmyard by scratching at the ground to reveal seeds and insects. And here are the energetic horses. They're neighing and galloping around. Can you neigh like a horse? That's right. It's a neigh. Neigh, you're on fire. Horses have big, strong teeth that help them chew tough grass and grains. They're also incredibly fast runners and love to gallop in the fields. Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. They can lock their leg joints to allow them to sleep while standing. Let's not forget our quacking friends, the ducks. They're having a quacktastic time. Can you quack like a duck? Yes, you guessed it. It's quack, quack. You're amazing. Ducks are excellent swimmers and have waterproof feathers. They use their bills to filter food from the water, like tiny underwater vacuum cleaners. Here comes our holy friend, the sheep. They are baaing softly. Can you baa like a sheep? That's right. It's a soft baa. Baa. Wonderful. Lambs are baby sheep, and they're known for their fluffy wool. Farmers shear their wool to make warm clothes like sweaters and blankets. Now, let's meet the inquisitive rabbits. They're hopping and nibbling away. Can you hop and nibble like a rabbit? That's right. It's hop, hop, hop. Rabbits are known for their hopping and twitching noses. They're fast little creatures. Rabbits have a special way of communicating by thumping their hind legs when they sense danger. Look at these graceful goats. They're known for their agility. Can you try to bleat like a goat? Bravo! Goats are amazing climbers. Their hooves are specially adapted to help them navigate steep and rocky terrain. And they can even climb trees. They're like the farm's acrobats. Look who's joining the farmyard fun. It's our delightful donkey. Can you make a braying sound like the donkey? That's fantastic! Donkeys are strong and hardworking animals, often helping farmers carry heavy loads. Donkeys are extremely nimble and can cross tricky terrain. And here's our honking goose. Can you honk like a goose? Yes, it's honk, honk. Great job! Geese are excellent swimmers, and they can travel long distances in their V-shaped formations. Goose is a term for female geese. Male geese are called ganders. A group of geese on land or in water are a gaggle, while in the air they are called a skein. Last but not least, we have the gobbling turkey. Try to gobble like a turkey. Wonderful gobbling! Turkeys are native to North America and are known for their vibrant feathers and the distinctive gobble sound. They're also excellent runners. You can tell a turkey's emotions by the color of their heads. Colors can change from red to blue to white, depending on how excited or calm they are. The more intense the colors are, the more intense their emotions. Wow! Wasn't that fun? Exploring the farm and learning about all these incredible animals. Remember, farms are not just places where food is grown. They're also homes to these amazing creatures. Thank you for joining us on this farm adventure. If you want to learn more about farm animals, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Bye!